Alright, hey to the masses, it is protective style time. As you all see, my signature wave. Now, we have one, two, three sections. Now, please notice that you will see the parts of my hair that's actually parted straight, and then the parts that it doesn't necessarily have to be parted straight. Definitely because you'll see once the style is done. So that is water. With aloe vera juice in it. Of course, you already know your aloe vera juice, so you can penetrate your hair shaft. And there's a little bit of my length. I'm going to probably do a length check, and that is while it's, of course, curly. That's where it is, and you just pull it without actually straightening, right? So you see me putting some oil on there. I don't know if that was actually I know that wasn't the argan oil. I forgot. I did that too quickly. But anyway, I'll put it down in the description down below. So I'm putting my oil, making sure I'm doing the plain hands method. And you also see me finger detangling. All of you all know I do not comb my hair. Nope, everybody knows the things that I do not do. All those that have been with me for a while. And of course, that's the Shea Moisture Hibiscus. That is that actual hair smoothie. Sorry, Shea Moisture, if I'm actually supposed to wash this out or something. If that's the case, I have not been using this product the way it has been meant to be used ever. I always use it as my cream base because I just have not found another cream. And then I have the L'Oreal mousse. This is my first time doing mousse. And the reason why I don't like mousse is because it has an alcohol base. However, I went ahead on and did I put my oil and my cream to seal in that before I put this alcohol in my hair so that it doesn't completely dry it out. So you see me putting that in all the way through, and I'm going to rake that through, and then you see me just only combing the ends of my hair only because I'm actually about to, you'll see me putting in 3 sections for me to actually make a braid. You see my XOXO gel, and you're going to see me put that right there at the scalp because you want to make sure that is the only part that really needs to be, that's one of the only parts that really needs to be a straight part. And then all the other parts I do not really care if it's a straight part or not because I do so many styles once my hair is up. In this protective style, I do so many styles. You see me getting that together really smoothly there. I do so many styles with this one protective style that I only care about that back part being straight. You see me putting it into 3 different sections. You see right there, it's a tangle. You take your time on that tangle as long as it takes you. Do not get frustrated. So you definitely want to do your hair when you're at a point where time does not really matter. If you can avoid it, if you cannot avoid it, then you may want to just let your hair down and spray it a little bit and put a little bit of product on it, do your edges, and you definitely don't want it. You definitely need time and concentration while actually taking care of your hair. So as you see, I'm still finger detangling as I'm going. You see me still pulling at it, which is actually finger detangling because as we know, combs are not made for any type of hair, not even straight, especially the skinny ones. So just leave that there so you have all that's sealed in, that's sprayed. Now you're going to work on your other side. Notice that I have a part right there in the middle, so that one that I just did, as you paid attention to it, it was just a little drop, and now you have your big chunk right here. This is your biggest chunk because it's a bigger block of hair. You see me putting the aloe vera juice in the water there, and right when I'm doing that, you're going to watch me as I am finger detangling, and I am taking my time with that because you definitely want to just make sure that aloe vera and water is getting through each strand of your hair, and it's actually penetrating that hair shaft is what's going to actually be key. We're going to make sure those ends, of course, we take care of our ends because those are our most loyal pieces. So you'll see me here still pulling at the end there. So that's about my length as I am just pulling the lovely little curls gently as you see that. And you could probably add, of course, more inches to that, but that's neither here nor there. So it's not a big deal. So you all know how I am about that, but I probably will do a length check. I'm not sure. Do not do not bank on that one I made though. So we're gonna speed it back up here. So back into it. So that's what you're gonna do. So you're just making sure, because you trying to undo your hair, you definitely, there's my length, good job. All right, so you actually trying to put your hair in 3 different pieces. If you do something other than just finger detangling like I do, then it may be easier for you, but it's almond oil, as we see that now. I only finger detangle, so that means I'm not pulling out unnecessary hair, I'm not doing any of that. So when I do my 3 big chunks, you just want to make sure the ends are actually good. That's the reason I only comb the ends. The middle is fine, but it's those ends that I really, don't want to be pulling at when I actually comb at the bottom or when I'm about to braid my hair. So that's really what I am focusing on for the entire thing. So as we see here, I am about to actually get some more of that hibiscus from Shea Moisture, and I'm going to make sure this is good and saturated and good and healthy, because it's going to be up, so therefore I'm not going to be able to actually saturate it or feed it while it's up in the style that I'm about to do. And I'm going to be doing this every single week over again. And I'm just going to do different things with that front hair piece in the front that you see clipped up there. But the back pieces will stay in these braids. Because of course we know that this is a year of growth, as we've already done. And you see me actually getting now my the mousse to put on there. And you're just making the mousse. The mousse, what it's going to do is actually just set the tone. It's going to set it. Again, this is my first time using mousse, but you see that I sealed my hair properly prior to putting this mousse on there. And this is the only kind of mousse I actually found when I went to Walmart at the time. So that is the reason why I have this kind of mousse as well. I think Shea Moisture has a type of oil-based mousse, and I don't know if that will seal it properly. I may try it, I may not, I'm not sure, because I think I actually like this mousse that I have right here. And as you see, I am finger detangling, and then there it is, I am just combing just the edges of my hair really quickly. It should not be that much shedding. And then, as you see, I'm putting my gel on. Yep, and then I'm going to put it all the way through. Okay, so you see that part right there in the front was straight. So those are the only parts that need to be actually straight, because people are going to actually see those. The other part on the back of that other, you see my edges right there. Of course, my edges, I have to do that. I have some pieces my husband said so funny that are in between that split in the back that are little bitty short itty bitty new pieces of hair that are right there in the back. I think that's so funny. So as you see, I have 3 pieces, and then you're going to take that piece that's in the front, you're going to pull it to the back first. The reason why is because you see it's going to help with your edge, and then as you are actually pulling it through, as you actually are braiding, you're going to pull your hair through and finger detangle out, as you see me doing, because it's pulling it through, making sure that everything is actually accounted for, and you're not tangling your hair as you are braiding. There's so many times we were sitting there just straight tangling of our hair as we're braiding, because we're not actually finger detangling as we are doing so. So you're sitting there braiding it all the way through. But you want that part right there that you see that's visible, you want that to be smooth and straight, and then you want the one in the back to be smooth and straight. So as you see, there we are. Okay, great. There are your 2. You have both of those. This is my go-to style, guys, when I am actually just doing protective style, or I don't really want to be bothered. So you're going to wrap that like so, and you're going to pin it. You're going to wrap that like so, and you're going to pin for days. And that's how the back is going to be. Now, voila. There we are. So, sorry guys, I had to leave and then come back. So I let that dry, and then I pinned them up and all that. So now I am working on that front piece. Now I've already moisturized the front piece, as you can probably already tell. I've also already put all of my aloe vera juice on there. I've also already put all my almond oil on there. And I have also already put, there's a little bit of my lens spray. I've also already put hibiscus on there as well. So those things are already all put on there. So everything is fine, good, and then I'm just showing you all the lens. But there are several things that I am going to do with this right now that you all are seeing me show you the length of, it is going to be your most important point, but it's going to be equally as important as the pieces in the back that you braided it up, because remember, they're not getting moisturized but once a day.